So how did you apply for your new style bus pass?
I went into the library in Cardiff and saw a lady who helped me. And she took the details. I took my old one in and she put it through the computer for me.
So how easy did you find the process of applying?
Very easy, because all I had to give them was my old pass and answer a few questions.
And how long did it take for your new style bus pass to arrive?
Just about 3 weeks.
Okay. How often do you use your bus pass?
Most days, actually.
Yeah, and what do you use your bus pass for?
To come from home into Cardiff,
Yeah.
to shop and have coffee, meet friends.
So how did you apply for your bus pass?
Online.
I applied online for myself and my wife.
My next door neighbour did it for us.
And did you find it easy to apply?
Yeah, she did it, no problem.
I found it very easy.
My wife's was no problem at all. They accepted the photograph that was on the existing bus pass. That's from years ago. But I had to take a photograph of myself and send that off. So my wife came first, but yeah, it was simple enough, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't accept my first photograph, so.
And how long did it take for the bus pass to arrive?
Oh, it wasn't long. I mean, 3-4 weeks.
About 2 weeks.
Just over 2 weeks.
I've applied.
I've applied.
I've applied.
We've applied.
Have you applied for yours yet?